Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast session for October 7th to the 19th. October 7th to the 11th, miles and summers are in agreement with the European weeklies and forecasting a ridge south of the Aleutians that extends south. We have a trough in the west, and we have, oops, this is the wrong map, but it remains generally the same. And with the trough in the west, and we have a ridge that extends from the western Atlantic across the Gulf Coast states of southern U.S. And we have above normal heights across the eastern U.S. So the models are good agreement with this. We go through each day. You can see a little change overall circulation. We go through the models. They're in agreement with this. Now, we have another tropical depression. It might even be a tropical storm by now. But the National Hurricane Center depicts depression number 16, which will be Nolan if it strengthens. It's forecast strength and hurricane strength by the time it approaches the Florida Panhandle by Sunday. There's still a fair amount of spread in the track and the timing. Expect the eastern Gulf Coast states may be impacted by strong winds and heavy rainfall. As the system continues north and northeast, where heavy rain may spread in Tennessee and upper Ohio Valley, the southeast, and the mid-Atlantic. During this time frame, moving on to other weather aspects, heavy rainfall is forecast for the northeast. Precipitation is also forecast for the central and northern Rockies, and some snow will be possible in the higher elevations. The northern U.S. will experience below normal temperatures. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, the Great Lakes, and the Northeast. The period for October 10th to the 14th, here we are at the 12th. Ridge is forecast here. Let me get to that again. We're at the 12th. The ridge here is forecast south of the Aleutians. We have a trough here, and we have a ridge over the southeast with above normal heights across the east. Now take a look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. A fair amount of agreement, except for maybe this is European deterministic has more of the trough across the northern plains up in Mississippi Valley. But overall, generally the same pattern. As we look to the rest of the models, you can see our ridge over the southeast. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies. With anomalies of 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures are forecast here. With anomalies of 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. We have below normal precipitation for the western states. We have above normal precipitation forecast for the southeast, the middle Atlantic, and the northeast. October 15th to 19th, here at the 15th. Now this is GFS, and it seems to be the most amplified, keeping a ridge here, trough ridge configuration. See, and then it kind of flattens out, but still pretty much same. And then we look at the rest of the models, they're flatter, with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. You see here, and that's what also European weeklies show. So during this forecast period, temperature extremes are not expected to be too severe or a great difference. We're still forecasting below normal temperatures. In the west, with anomalies of near 4 degrees below normal, we have above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for the Mississippi Valley westward to the Atlantic coast. So that's a long range weather forecast session for October 7th and 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.